morning, friends. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the NGT. You know that this name is recently means in 2010 already established. So, which are not aware about the NGT. So, I want to try them some awareness of NGT. Someone's as a safety professional, so you have to know that NGT means National Green Tribunal. Tribunal means this is a legal consequences, and this is a act. Already this act in this is a Indian Parliament had created a special tribunal, a tribunal for expeditiously disposing of the cases related the environments, because of that Environment Act already established in our India 1986 environment protection. So this case all over a country only for third number of India. First is there New Zealand, and second in Australia, and third is India to establish NGT. NGT means this is a main concept of focusing of environment cases in our India, and how to implementations, how to comply within the time period. This is a justice and special justice and journalist for the resolve this type of case within the 6 months. Their durations of 6 months each and every environmental related case immediate resolve. Suppose that anything happens. Suppose that where is human and environments protections, talking about the environment protection and human life related the environment. So that that act for purpose of that, how to resolve within the time period. So NGT was established on 18th October 19 2010. So guys, this is a special, that Delhi in our entire India, Delhi is most polluted city, most polluted states, and after that that also Patna, Mumbai, and which are the metro city. So that maybe most polluted city. First is Delhi. So guys, Delhi start the innovative and start the that types of NGT, so that may be compliance of each and every environment related any problems, any safety, any violations, then they can resolve within the time period. So many types of complaints related the environments, but not enough time to resolve within the time period. So this is a special act for the resolve the environment issue, because of that our Delhi is very polluted city. So there is a main purpose of Delhi, and which are major polluted part in our India, that can resolve it. Second thing, it is a statutory body establishment under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. And India is a third country. Already we have discussed India is a third country. First is Australia, second New Zealand, third is India. So main objectives of this is why we are going to develop NGT. NGT means act why need to be establishments. So first objective is that speedily dispose of the cases pertaining to environment protection. Means if any cases related the environment, how to protect them, how to resolve them, how to dispose them. So guys, this main motive of first is there mentions dispose on immediate basis and try to resolve within the time limit. Second thing, environment protections. Additional, so how to we can protections environment. So this is a part of also Environment Protections Act 1986. But this is a some fast track of act. This act. So guys, environment related the environment protections. You know that Water Act, Air Preventive Controls Act, and Environment Protections Act, Biodiversity Act, and Biomedical Waste Act. So there are many act related the environments, and that may be resolved that all are issued for special journalists. So guys, this is a main purpose of this, how to resolve them. After that, main objective is they are seeking compensations for damage caused and property. If any environment's damage and any property damage, that may be that person's act resolve that issue, and seeking the compensations of that type of behavior. Suppose that if you are going to any tree plantations cut without information, without approval from the government body, that may be penalize them. So this is a good things, and strict and good decisions by the governments to establishment. And because of that environment is very important, because of if you are going to 10 years futures, and 10 years 20 years futures, then that type of behaviors, that type of climates not suit in our next generation. So we have to make that good environment. We have to make to free from any pollution at our country, so that maybe every person may be free, safe and healthy environment at your workplace. So there is structures of NGT principles bench in there, New Delhi. You know that this is a main branch. There is main branch in our India. There is main branch of in Delhi. And second thing, Bhopal central branch is there, Bhopal, and Pune western region also Pune, and Kolkata eastern regions, and south region Chennai. There are 5 places in our entire India. 5 states established the NGT, corporate office, for how to resolve that types of issue. So guys, and there are already 5 branches is there in our India, but next in futures maybe develop, maybe make a good branch, make a establishment, all those things which are required to protections of environments. Second thing, power. NGT has power to hear all civil matter related the environment. So there was given of powers by government body, by the parliaments. We have to decide that. We have to penalize them. We have to take actions related the environment. Suppose that Water Act and Forest Act 1918, Air, Environment, Public Diversity, Biological Act. So that all are considered about the in that environment protection for environment. So this is understood that if you are working a safety professional, so know that suppose that I am also working a Delhi branch organized company, because there is mention of NGT compliance. How many NGT compliance is there? So if in case of any government body will come to your office, and some come to office and to visit your project, there is some maybe found gap, then they can penalize them, they can and raise a NC, and maybe depend on measures violations, and they can maybe stop your projects. So we are going to, if we are going to any project establishment, first environment clearance should be must. You know that this is a basic requirement: environment protections and environment clearance, fire clearance, and there are many things of clearance. So first is environment, very important. which type of machine you are going to use, which type of plant you are going to use, how many people working in your environment. So guys, there are many things for the protections at construction project. There is any residence agriculture area, you have you will you have to need that some tree plantations cutting. So that maybe clearance must be done by the government body. This is a principle natural justice. There are three types of justice: rules against bias, and rules against alternal pattern, and reasonable decisions. Means there are natural justice, rules against of bias, no any participations to others, if participations to other, only to take decision on take decision on against the environment protection. So nobody nobody relationship during the decisions making, and reasonable decisions. If you are violate the higher environment higher violations related the environment, then you have to penalize them. So guys, this is very important and very innovative idea by our parliament to how to environment safe, how to free environment in our organization. Second thing, establish sustainable development. Sustainable development, how to this act sustainable in our future. So guys, there is two things is there, two types of the polluter pay principle. Second thing, precautionary principle. Precautionary principles means if you are going to start any activity, suppose that you are going to start the one project, so precautionary measures must be done at project, and government body also take the precautionary precautionary principles. If you are going to establish any manufacturing process, there must be clearance of environment, and if you are going to establishment, organizations must be think about how to plan, how to save the environment related surrounding the area, what is the emergency response plan. There are many things will be considered. So how to protect environments during the work, how many required to tree plantations cutting, if plant there is agriculture area, need to be environment protections and air protections act. So those all types of act must be considered, must be if follow as per government's rules. So precautionary measure a good planning part of planning to improvements, and planning to how to protect our environment and our earth. Second thing, polluter pay discipline. Polluters means which are going to pollute. Suppose that you know that there are many discipline, many legal requirement is there. Or if you are using of bike, if you are going to driving the car, must be pollutions POC, pollutions control PUC, pollutions control certificate. Pollution control certificate. So if you have no any pollution certificates, then you have to penalize them by government body, because of that first time. So we have only for 50 rupees of PUC penalty, but nowadays that 1,000 approx 1,000 2,000 penalize them if you are found without PUC of driving any car and vehicles on road. So guys, this is very important. This is a very clear concept to how to protect the environment. So government is clear defined to there is no compromise with our environment. How to save? Right now that already our prime ministers also conversations, each and every speech one two point must be considered about the environment. Ganga rivers, how much polluted, how much was polluted our Ganga rivers. There is many plan to how to develop the Ganga rivers, road, forest and air pollutions, noise pollutions, right now you know that we are using of green vehicle, means without any pollution of our environments. So we have to control them, how to we are going to develop for sustainable development our environment. So guys, if you, this is a basic awareness, because I am also first time read the NGT, try to understood, try to explain that what is the NGT. So maybe we will remember how to save, how to improvements environment at your industry, at your construction project. Thanks for watching my video.